Jai Sri Ram, surrendering to the feet of Sri Rama. Om Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvatam Padam Lokabhiramam Ramam Bhogyo Bhogyo Namamyaham Karkate Purvapalgunyam Tulasi Kananodbhabam Pandye Vishvambaram Godam Vande Sri Ranganayaki Andal Tiruvadigalé Sharanam. Day 10. Tirupavai Pashuram 10. Notuchuvargam Bohindabam Manai Mattavam Tararobajal Tirubadar Natatulai Mudinarayanan Nammal Potta Paradarum Ponniyanal Pandharunal Kottatin Vai Vilda Kumbhakarananum Tottubanakke Perunduyiltan Tandanom Atahanandaludayai Yanangalame Tettamai Bandudirvelor Gyambhavai Notujuvargam Bohindabam Manai Mattamam Dararobajal Tirubadar Natatulai Mudinarayanan Nammal Potta Paraidarum Ponniyanal Pandharunal Kottatin Vai Vilda Kumbhakarananum Tottubanakke Perunduyiltan Tandanom Atahanandaludayai Yanangalame Tettamai Bandudirvelor Gyambhavai. Meaning, oh, the girl who is eligible to do the vratam and enjoy the blessings of the Lord, please open the door or talk something. The Lord who wear Tulasi Mala is receiving the prayers from us, is going to fulfill all our dreams. Kumbhakarna, who was killed by Dharmatma Sri Rama, is nothing in front of your sleep. Oh, the girl of the lover of sleep, come on, get up, open the door and join us in the vratam. Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisham Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Lokas Samastas Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Sri Ram. Jai Sri Ram.